Hey Tool Nuts, I'm Doug with toolnut.com. So we figured we'd do a quick video on this. Lots of people asking what is coming extra with this limited edition 20th anniversary Emerald set from Festool. So this is the DF500. This has been the biggest pre-sale item, most popular item that people are ordering. So with this set, not only are you getting an extra $136 worth of domino cutters in the box, you're also getting the limited blue sustainer, and of course, you're getting that 20th anniversary sticker on your T-lock, all right? So, normal set, not gonna get that, won't get the blue sustainer, won't get the sticker. This is limited edition, very limited, so if you haven't pre-ordered, you might wanna do it now, because they are going fast, and once these are gone, deal's gone, all right? Then it goes back to white sustainer, no extra cutters, all right? The other question we've had is, what should I look at getting to go with the domino? So we grabbed this here. This is the biggest selling accessory for the DF500. This is a $498,899. This is a full domino assortment set. All right, so you're getting a 4, a 5, a 6, an 8, and a 10 millimeter cutter head in this set. And then you're getting the dominoes to go with it, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 10. Full assortment to go with that, all right? The 5 millimeter cutter does come on that, so this would be your second 5 millimeter cutter.
Dominoes like the pizza?
Dominoes like the pizza, yes. Not Pizza Hut cutters. These are domino cutters, all right? Is there a copyright or some kind of, I hope we're not infringing on that. All right, so back to it. Us being the Tool Nut, though, we figured for some savings, this is $330 for this full set. So what we did, we put near the add to cart button on this limited edition set, we made our own set, okay? So that you're not getting all those extra cutters. You might not want those, all right? Depends how often you're gonna use it. So for $224, you're gonna get a sustainer and then no cutter heads, all right? You'll also lose the 4 millimeter dominoes, all right? But for $224, you're getting the sustainer, you're gonna get 5 millimeter dominoes, 6 millimeter, 8s, and 10s in our custom assortment, all right? And again, that's on toolnut.com. It's also on our other site, festoolproducts.com. It's gonna be by the add to cart for this Emerald Edition DF500 set. You can click each other one. If you want the full set, it's $330. If you want the Tool Nut exclusive customized set, it's $224. Thanks, Tool Nuts.